BMW, 1928 to 2023. BMW's automotive journey began in 1928 with the production of the Dixi, a licensed version of the Austin 7. Known for its compact design and affordability, the Dixi laid the foundation for BMW's entry into the automobile market. As the 1930s unfolded, BMW shifted focus to performance and luxury with models like the 328 Roadster, which became a motorsport icon. Post-World War II, BMW faced significant challenges, but re-established itself with the release of the Isetta microcar in the 1950s. This quirky bubble car helped BMW survive financial struggles and laid the groundwork for future success. During the 1960s, BMW transformed into a symbol of sporty luxury with the Neue Klasse sedans, which introduced the hallmark kidney grille and driving-focused engineering. The 1970s marked the birth of BMW's iconic series, the 3, 5, and 7 series, each setting benchmarks in their respective categories. The M division also emerged, delivering high-performance cars like the M1 and M3. In the 2000s, BMW embraced technology, introducing features like iDrive and efficient dynamics, emphasizing both innovation and sustainability. The launch of the BMW i3 and i8 in the 2010s showcased the brand's commitment to electrification. By 2023, BMW balanced tradition and modernity, offering cutting-edge electric vehicles like the iX and i7 alongside beloved internal combustion models. With advancements in autonomous driving and sustainability, BMW maintained its reputation as a leader in luxury and performance, evolving to meet the demands of a changing automotive landscape.